Welcome back to our channel everybody, and in today's video I will show you guys how you guys can log in into your Home Depot credit card account. Alright, so if you want to log in using your credit card, you can follow the steps I will show you in today's video, because it's pretty different than you guys logging into your account using your main account info than your credit card. The steps are totally different, so follow it. Alright, but before that, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's move on. First thing is, on your search bar, just search for Home Depot credit card login, just like I've searched over here. And after you search for it, it's going to show you this result. The first address is city.com, the Home Depot. You want to click on it. Now it's going to take you to the city website, but the card system is connected with Citibank for Home Depot, so you don't have to worry about it. Alright, you can see the logo over here. Once you see it, it's confirmed that you are at the right place. Over here, just enter your user ID, so I'm just going to do that. After you do that, you can see the password over here. Just enter the password of your account like this and just click on sign on, and you should be able to log in into your account using your card. If you want to register your card, you can click on this as well if you want to. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't, and I will be seeing you guys on my future video. Until next time, bye bye.